Yes, children. Good morning, everyone. So you understood the
Morning,
two
ma'am.
paras
Morning,
that
ma'am.
I had explained you yesterday, beta. Okay. I told you about the
Yes, ma'am.
stories, okay, the paintings, okay, of China. And in the first para, a painter, he makes a painting, but that painting, as soon as he claps and opens the door of the cave, he enters. But as the emperor, he was about to enter, the door of the cave, it closes, and the painting, it vanishes, it disappears from the wall, okay. Now, all these kind of stories, that have some, these are the spiritual stories related to illusion, to spirit and all. So these stories, they are related to the paintings that are made by the painter. And one more story, it was told that a painter, he was there, and he wouldn't draw the eye of a dragon. Why? Because he had this fear ki in case if he drew the eye of the dragon would fly away. Okay. So all these stories, they prevailed, and it was one of the stories from many others which came from a medieval country in Western Europe. Flanders is a medieval country. You can write down. Flanders is a medieval country in Europe. Now this story, it was contrast, means just opposite to the Chinese story that I narrated. Should we move on to the next para?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
put
ma'am.
the date on the next para, beta. Put the date on the next para. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now see, in 15th century, Antwerp is a city of northern Belgium. Write down. Antwerp, a city of northern Belgium. So in Antwerp, in the 15th century, a master blacksmith called Quentin Matsys fell in love with the painter's daughter. Now, in Antwerp, there is a story that a master blacksmith was there. Blacksmith, who is a blacksmith?
Luhar.
Johar.
You are one who does the work of yes, an iron. So this master blacksmith, whose name was Quentin Matsys, he fell in love with a painter's daughter. He had love with a painter's daughter. The father would not accept a son-in-law in such a profession. Now, he started loving a painter's daughter, but that painter, he did not accepted him. Quentin को उसने accept नहीं करा as a son-in-law. Why? Because he don't want that a blacksmith should become his son-in-law. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. अब देखो क्या होता है. So Quentin sneaked means entered quietly, okay, like a burglar, like a thief. He entered into the painter's studio and painted a fly on his latest panel. Latest panel is the latest painting that he had made. On that, he entered quietly into the painter's studio, and then he painted a fly on the latest painting that was kept there with such delicate realism. Okay. Delicate realism क्या होता है? Quality. That quality of art होता है that looks like real. You can write down delicate realism. The quality of art. The quality of art that makes it seem real. with such delicate realism that the master tried to sweat means to hit, to crush it away before he realized what had happened. Now, this painter, he was against Quentin. He did not want that this blacksmith should become his son-in-law. So one day, what did this man do, this blacksmith? He entered the painter's studio quietly. There a painting was kept, and he made a painting of a fly, मक्खी, okay? जो पेंटिंग रखी हुई थी ना पैनल पे, उसमें उसने एक मक्खी की पेंटिंग बना दी. He made a painting of a fly that looked like a real fly. समझ में आया? बिल्कुल जैसे रियल फ्लाई दिखती है, रियल मक्खी होती है ना, बिल्कुल वैसे ही made a painting. When the master painter, when he entered his studio, he saw that a fly, it was sitting on his painting, so he tried to crush it, he tried to hit it. Okay, उसको क्या लगा कि ये तो रियल मक्खी है, तो उसको हिट करने की कोशिश करी. Okay, लेकिन he realized afterwards कि it was not a real one, it was a painting. Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now he came to know who made the fly, okay, who was the artist who made this fly, and he got so much impressed with Quentin that Quentin was immediately admitted as an apprentice into his studio. Okay, तो उसका जो painting studio था ना painter का, he got so much impressed by this man Quentin that at once he admitted him as a learner. Apprentice कौन होता है? Learner or a trainee in his studio. Means he started giving him training. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
He married his beloved and went on to become one of the most famous painters of his age. And later on, Quentin married the painter's daughter, as now he no longer he was a blacksmith, he had become a painter. And it has been said that later on he became one of the most famous painters of his age, of his period. उस समय का सबसे famous painter वो बन गया. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These two stories illustrate what each form of art is trying to achieve. Now these two stories, कौन सी story? एक तो this one of the apprentice, okay, and the above story of a famous painter who wouldn't draw the eye of a dragon. उसको लगता था ये eye draw करने से है ना, the dragon, you know, it would fly out of the painting. So these two stories, you know, वो illustrate करती हैं, show करती हैं कि what is the art form that is trying to achieve. Underline कर लेना ये, underline it. Now these two stories, okay, told about, they are trying to illustrate the form of art in two different regions, one of the China and the other one is of the Europe. Okay, a perfect illusionistic likeness. Illusionistic likeness का लिखो, illusion, created, an illusion created which resembles something. An illusion created which resembles something. तो यूरोप में क्या था? illusionistic likeness थी. Okay, उसका जो आर्ट्स था that is perfect, और बिल्कुल एक ऐसी लाइकनेस थी उसके अंदर, पेंटिंग्स के अंदर, जो रियलिज्म को रिजेंबल करती है. The essence of inner life and spirit in Asia, और एशिया में, चाइना वगैरह के आर्ट्स में, it gives an essence of inner life and spirit. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we move on to the next para, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In the Chinese story, the emperor commissions a painting and appreciates its outer appearance, but the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. अब चाइनीज स्टोरीज में हमने देखा है जो आर्टिस्ट हैं, है ना, जैसे हमने स्टोरी में देखा he had made a painting for the emperor, तो उसको he is trying to explain the true meaning of his work, you know, बता रहा है कि फॉरेस्ट वगैरह everything is there, और जो केव है वहां पर what happens, the cave, you know, it has lot of beauty in it, और फिर वो बताता है कि एक स्पिरिट वगैरह भी रहती है, ओके सो और फिर वो बताता है हाउ टू ओपन द डोर एंड एंटर द केव एंड ऑल, सारा स्पिरिचुअल बताता है वो. So in the Chinese story, the emperor commissions a painting and appreciates its outer appearance, but the artist reveals to him the true meaning of his work. Okay? अब Chinese story में emperor ने painting बनाई, उसके outer appearance को बहुत appreciate करता है, लेकिन जो true worker है, यानी the painter of the story, वो true meaning बताता है कि what is the painting all about. The emperor may rule over the territory he has conquered, but only the artist knows the ways within. Let me show the way. The Tao, a word that seems both the path or the method and the mysterious works of the universe. अच्छा, अब क्या होता है? Though the emperor, he rules the whole world, he rules the country. ओके इतनी पावर है, लेकिन उस एम्परर के पास इतनी पावर नहीं होती टू ओपन द केव, द डोर ऑफ द केव. तो आर्टिस्ट को ही वे मालूम होता है, रास्ता मालूम होता है विद इन द केव, एंड देन ही सेज दैट लेट मी ओपन, ओके लेट मी शो द वे, ठीक है. और दाव, लेट मी शो दाव, दाव वर्ड यूज होता है, ठीक है, फॉर पाथ और द मेथड, दो तरीके के लिए, कि मैं तरीका बताता हूँ या मैं रास्ता बताता हूँ. चाइनीज लैंग्वेज में दाओ इट इज नोन एज पाथ और द मेथड. Clear? So the work, you know, that the painter made, it was very mysterious. Okay, and Dao means all the method or the path that he did, you know, the artist did. He just want to reveal it. The painting is gone, but the artist had reached his goal beyond any material appearance. Up writer क्या कहता है? As the painting was gone. How the painting was gone? See, do you remember? He claps, and as he claps, the door of the cave it opens. ध्यान है बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when he enters, okay, and as he was
Yes,
about to enter, what happens? As the emperor was
They were
about to
closed.
enter the day, yes, the door of the
Cave
cave,
closed.
it closes, and suddenly even the painting, it vanishes, it disappears. आया समझ में? तो आर्टिस्ट ने इसी गोल से बनाई थी वो पेंटिंग कि उसका कोई मटेरियल अपीयरेंस ना हो. ओके, उसका मेन एम क्या था कि बिल्कुल एक तरह से इल्यूजन हो, ओके, जिसमें कोई रियलिज्म नहीं हो. समझ में आया? स्पिरिचुअल हो, कोई मटेरियल अपीयरेंस नहीं हो उसमें. दैट हैपेंड कि पेंटिंग जो थी इट डिसअपीयर्ड. ओके, यानी जो आर्टिस्ट था उसका मोटिव इट वाज फुलफिल्ड, दैट सम वर्क यू नो दैट इज बियॉन्ड मटेरियल अपीयरेंस, दैट इज बियॉन्ड रियलिज्म. रियलिज्म के परे थी वो पेंटिंग जो चाइना या चाइनीज आर्ट या एशियन आर्ट्स में होता है. क्लियर बेटा?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the next para. A classical Chinese landscape is not meant to reproduce an actual view, as would a Western figurative painting. Now see, a classical Chinese landscape, है ना? यदि landscape की painting is being made, it is not made to reproduce an actual view, जैसा कि वेस्टर्न पेंटिंग में होता है. वेस्टर्न पेंटिंग में लॉट ऑफ रियलिज्म इज देयर, okay, but the Chinese painting or the landscape, okay, it is not made with a real viewpoint. समझ में आया? It is only the representation of artist thoughts. सिर्फ जो आर्टिस्ट सोचता है ना उसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन होता है बेटा. वेस्टर्न आर्ट में ऐसा नहीं होता है, दैट इज फुल ऑफ रियलिज्म. लेकिन चाइनीज आर्ट में वॉट एवर द आर्टिस्ट इमेजिन्स दैट ही ड्रॉज ऑन द पेंटिंग. आया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is getting? Hope you are not confused, children. Hope you are not confused.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
See, whatever thoughts, you know,
Ma'am.
सारा जो fiction, imagination जो artist के दिमाग में आता है ना, ठीक है, पेंटिंग को स्पिरिचुअल बनाने के लिए, तो जो भी थॉट्स उसके दिमाग में आते हैं ना चाइनीज पेंटर्स के या एशियन पेंटर्स के, दे ड्रॉ इट. क्लियर? कोई एक्चुअल व्यू दे डोंट वांट टू प्रेजेंट, दे जस्ट वांट टू मेक इट वेरी अट्रैक्टिव और बिल्कुल मटेरियल अपीयरेंस से बिल्कुल अलग दे वांट टू मेक इट. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes,
अब देखो ये 2 लाइन समझ में आ गई. 3rd लाइन में क्या है? Whereas the European painter wants you to borrow his eyes, means उसकी आंखों से देखना है, okay, and look at a particular landscape exactly as he saw it from a specific angle. The Chinese painter does not choose a single viewpoint. Okay, now see, the European painter, he paints a landscape, okay, to show you a specific scene of the landscape. Suppose if he has seen a beautiful landscape of white snow-capped mountains, you know, so he is going to draw the actual view of that landscape, and he wants that his people, they must also see it and they must also enjoy it as it is full of realism. समझ गए? You did not get?
Yes, ma'am.
Whereas जो Chinese painters होते हैं ना बेटा, they do not choose any realism. Okay? कोई real view point नहीं होता उनका, तो imagination होता है. Imagination में whatever comes, they draw it. ठीक है? और चाहते हैं कि जो उनकी पेंटिंग्स को देखें ना, they should be in the spiritual world. Okay? They shouldn't be in the real one. लेकिन whereas European painters ये चाहते हैं कि their paintings, you know, it should be considered as real. If they are making a painting of the landscape, यानी viewers ये समझे कि of course it is a real landscape. They should not be lost. Okay? They shouldn't be disillusioned. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
His
ma'am.
landscape is not a real one. अब Chinese landscape जो होता है real one नहीं होता है, and you can enter it from any point. Okay? अब painting को किसी भी तरह से आप देख सकते हो, किसी भी point से you can enter, travel in it, यानी your imagination it can go, and the artist creates a path for your eyes to travel up and down, back again in a leisurely movement. Now Chinese painting में the writer says you can enter the painting from any point, okay, and travel anywhere wherever your thoughts and imaginations take. Got it? यानी उसने वो पेंटिंग बनाई थी जिसमें बहुत सारे माउंटेन्स बनाए, बहुत सारी हिल्स बनाए, फॉरेस्ट बनाए, ओके, वंडरफुल सीन्स बनाए, केव्स बनाई, इसलिए बनाई जिससे जो व्यूअर्स हैं ना, when people look at it, they can imagine on their own and they can just travel according to the thoughts, उनके दिमाग में आ सकता है, yes, जैसे वो he traveled according to his thought ना, उसने क्या कहा कि emperor को कि there is a cave, and the cave, you know, it has many beautiful things inside it. Okay, so according to his imagination, he was traveling in the painting, right? He was imagining according to his thoughts. और फिर emperor को भी imagine करवाता है कि एक spirit रहती है, and lot of things, beautiful things, majestic things are there in the cave. और फिर वो clap करता है and he just tries to open the door और enter हो जाता है, उसको भी कहता है you also come and enter. तो all this is imagination, okay, of a person who looks at the painting. समझ में आया? तो ऐसा कुछ किस में होता है? इन द चाइनीज पेंटिंग. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Everyone?
ma'am.
Now these
Yes, ma'am.
Chinese artists, you know, they want the people who look at that painting, they should travel, okay, they should imagine, you know, they should create their own path, means they should create their own thoughts at looking at the painting made by the painters. अपनी खुद की सोच create कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी imagine कर सकते हैं, वो ऐसा चाहते हैं. ठीक है? और चाइना में है ना इस तरह की पेंटिंग, it is enjoyed more than the real paintings. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
सबको आ गया समझ में? बहुत सिंपल सी बात है. चाइनीज पेंटिंग जो होती है ना, फुल ऑफ इमेजिनेशन होती है. इंसान देखता है और बहुत कुछ इमेजिन कर लेता है. इमेजिन करते करते दूसरी दुनिया में चला जाता है. गॉट इट नाउ? लेकिन यूरोपियन पेंटिंग्स में रियलिज्म होता है बेटा. ठीक है? कोई पेंटिंग बनी है तो पेंटर ये चाहता है कि व्यूअर्स उसको देखें और ये रियलाइज करें कि यस, ये लैंडस्केप जो ऐसा है वो रियली एग्जिस्ट करता है. वो रियल पेंटिंग्स बनाते हैं. नाउ इट इज क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
see, this is even more true in the case of horizontal square scroll, in which the action of slowly opening one section of the painting, then rolling it up to move on to the other, adds a dimension of time which is unknown in any other form of painting. अब horizontal scroll क्या होता है? एक ऐसा form of painting का होता है जहां पर one section, one part of the painting को open करा जाता है. ठीक है ना? धीरे 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 उसको रोल करते हुए दूसरी साइड घूम जाया जाता है. तो एक ऐसा डायमेंशन क्रिएट हो जाता है जो किसी और आर्ट वर्क में नहीं होता है. It also requires the active participation of the viewer who decides at what pace he will travel through the painting. Now what happens? Chinese painting में एक ऐसा डायमेंशन होता है कि वो चाहते हैं कि जो व्यूअर्स हैं उनका मेंटल और फिजिकल पार्टिसिपेशन हो. Okay? And Chinese painter doesn't want you to borrow his eyes, he wants you to enter his mind. और Chinese painter क्या चाहते हैं कि आप जो है उसकी eyes borrow मत करो, उसकी आंखों से मत देखो, but उसके mind से देखो. यानी whatever he has thought, whatever he has imagined in the painting, that should be imagined by the viewers. और जो इस तरह की पेंटिंग होती है वो स्पिरिचुअल पेंटिंग होती है. एंड द लैंडस्केप इज एन इनर वन, अ स्पिरिचुअल एंड अ कॉन्सेप्चुअल स्पेस. गॉट इट? कॉन्सेप्चुअल स्पेस क्या होता है? लिखो, रिलेशन विद एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. विद एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. Abstract means that you cannot see or touch. Okay,
We
but
can
you can feel it. You can feel it. So the Chinese artists, you know, the Chinese paintings or the landscapes and all created by the Chinese artists, you know, it is spiritual, it is inner, and it is abstract. You need to feel it. You cannot touch or see it, but you need to feel it. You need to just borrow the mind of the painter. Means borrowing the mind means you need to think according to his thoughts. Okay, you don't need to buy his eyes, to borrow his eyes to look at the painting. यूरोपियन पेंटर चाहता है कि व्यूअर्स दे मस्ट बोरो हिज आईज, यानी उसकी आंखों से देखें उसकी पेंटिंग को. दैट इज फुल ऑफ रियलिज्म. लेकिन चाइनीज पेंटिंग इमेजिनेटिव होती है, इमेजिनेशंस में जाया जाता है, स्पिरिचुअल जाया जाता है उसमें. ओके और वो सारी थॉट्स जो होती हैं, दैट हेल्प्स द चाइनीज पेंटर टू ट्रेवल according to his thought or according to his mind. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can go through it, beta. कोई दिक्कत आए तो you can ask
Thank
me.
you, ma'am.
Okay? Thank you. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.